Hey friends, hi, I'm Swati Singla and today in this video I am going to cover past continuous tense, simple and easy. Okay, so in my previous video I have told you about present continuous tense. So this past continuous tense is nothing so different. Okay, not so different thing. So let's start. As I told you in my all of my previous videos, the sentence structure of the basic English in all the tenses is same. That means there are three parts in all the sentences if you go for a basic English. Okay, if you are starting your English, if you are starting your English with normal sentences, with basic sentences, there will always be three parts of your sentence. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover past continuous tense. So what is actually past continuous means? Past continuous tense represent like present continuous tense represent the activities which are currently going on, which are continuous. So in the same way, past continuous tense denotes the activities which were going on in the past, which were happening for some duration in the past. Okay, so for example, like तुम कहाँ थे, मैं तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा था. तो ढूंढ रहा था was going on, was a ढूंढ रहा था is a continuous activity which was happening in past, जो past में हो रही थी, अभी नहीं, जो past में हो रही थी लेकिन वो continuous है, यानी थोड़े टाइम तक वो चल रही थी. That means past continuous tense. In this case, you need to use past continuous tense to form your sentence. Okay, simple enough. You got the meaning? Okay, so let's start with the structure. How a sentence would frame, how would we frame a sentence for past continuous? So again, there would be three parts in the sentence. First is again the subject, the person who is doing that activity, who is performing that action. So first part would be the person, like I, me, I, he, she, it, they, those, these, like this, Ram, Sham, Sita, or a person's name, anybody. So the first part would be the person. Second part in the past continuous tense is was or were. We will use was or were. Okay. Third part is activity or action plus ing. Okay, simple enough. First part is the person who is doing the thing, the action, the activity. Second part is was or were. Third part is the activity or the action which is being performed, which is happening, which is performing by somebody, some person, plus ing. Okay, so this was the sentence structure for past continuous tense. Okay, so where to use was and where to use were? First thing, was, we should use was for he, she, it. Okay, he was doing this, she was doing this, it was doing this. And I, the four things. We use was for four things. I, he, she, it. Okay. Second, where to use were? All the plural things, all the plural, like for a group of people, for more than one thing, for more than one people, for more than one animal, for more than one insect, you will use were. Plus with you के साथ भी वर आएगा. And because you is used for giving some respect. Okay, so अगर आप किसी elder से बात करें तो you won't talk him like कि या तो आप उसका नाम लेंगे, ना तो आप नाम लेके बात करेंगे, आप ना तो नाम लेके बात करेंगे, ना ही उनको ही, she, it में से कुछ बोलेंगे. तो you will use you for him. Okay, for your elder or for some सामने वाले, or for second person. तो उसके लिए आपको you यूज करना पड़ेगा और you के साथ we should always use were. Okay, so we use was with he, she, it and I. Okay, and we use were with you and with anything or any person more than one. That means plural. Got it? Simple enough. So let's take an example for this. Again, let's take the same example. तुम कहाँ थे? मैं तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा था. So where were you? Where were you? I was looking for you. I के साथ was. I was looking. Action is look. To look is the action. उसके साथ ing. I was looking for you. So the other person replies कि कहाँ ढूंढ रहे थे? I mean मैं तो खाना खा रहा था. So वो पास्ट में एक्टिविटी चल रही है, खा रहा था, वो कर रहा है काम. तो I was eating my food. I was eating my food. Okay, got it? So let's take an example for plural कि वो 5 लोग कहाँ गए थे, कहाँ जा रहे थे एक्चुअली. तो वो 5 लोग कल कहाँ जा रहे थे जब मैं घर आया. तो how would I say कि those 5 people, where were those 5 people going? Where were those 5 people going? तो जो 5 लोग हैं they will reply like कि we were, because they are more than one. तो we और उसके साथ were यूज होगा. We were going to the park. We were going to the park. So this way we use was and were for past continuous tense. Okay, really simple. I think I really made this concept clear to you, and I think this was really easy to understand for you. Okay, so if I go for interrogative sentence, like questionable sentence for this. So were you eating food yesterday at that time? Like कि जब मैं वहां आया था क्या तुम खाना खा रहे थे उस टाइम पे. सो वर यू के साथ वर आता है. तो मैंने क्या बताया था कि क्वेश्चन के साथ जो वर्ब होती है, सेकेंड पार्ट होता है, वो बिफोर द पर्सन और द सब्जेक्ट. जो पर्सन वो एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहा है उससे पहले चले जाता है. तो वर यू ईटिंग द फूड when I came there? Rest is a different part. But were you eating the food? Okay, and if the person wants to negate this, उसको अगर मना करना है तो he will say it like, no, I was not eating the food. I was not eating the food. I was playing actually. When you came there, I was not eating the food. I was playing actually. So in this way you have one affirmative sentence that is positive, that means answer wala sentence कि I was playing actually. A negative one कि I was not eating the food, or the question, were you eating the food at that time? Okay, so this is the sentence structure. This is the kind of past continuous tense, and in this way we use it where the activities were going on in the past. Okay, so I really wish that you learned it really well. So that is it for today, and I'll see you soon with some another concept with some another words to learn in English. Until then, see you, bye bye. And if you like this video, please give it a share and like, and please do subscribe. Bye.